The shoes are shooting us. Are you okay? Are you fine? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry I didn't do the intro at home, but yeah, here we are celebrating Munchie, and as you can see, she's busy with the pictures.
So this is me getting into town, just going to meet the girls and make sure that I am very early. But you know what, I was late like always. These are the girls. This is Munchie on my left, and this is Nyesha on my right. My sisters, guys. And this is Natasha. Come and see Natasha. This is Natasha, yeah. So we arrived at the venue. We're going to Three Monkeys Zim, and yeah, they were looking nice.
Hiya.
Munchie looks like she was born without trousers, guys. Yeah, we arrived, and I can safely tell you that at Three Monkeys Zimbabwe, the Harare branch, guys, the reception, the hospitality is a 10 over 10. The menu, guys. Yo. This is classy shame. You guys should all visit Three Monkeys. I tell you this. Look at the food. I was waiting for my food. Guys. This is amazing. Classy, so demure, and mindful, guys. Look at my food. This is my favorite dish at Three Monkeys. If I'm going to Three Monkeys, this is the dish that I want.
I'm gonna order milkshake.
No ways. I'm eating this every day. This Nyasha is not social. Yeah, tata kutoenda kunotora ma pictures and yeah, taking pictures.
The shoes are shooting us. Are you okay? Are you fine? Guys, the party is over.
So we had to go to Chop-chop Masasa because the party wasn't over yet. You know, girls. And then Mbeu was actually singing my favorite song. Mukana, ndika upiwa mukana, ndokira no madera. And then yeah, this was a favorite song of mine, but because of copyright, I'm going to leave this. Guys. I'm not going to make sure that you guys hear this because I'll suffer with the copyrights. But let me just put this little clip because it's Dr. Oliver Mtukudzi's song, but it's a cover. So yeah, the copyrights won't affect me. So when Mbeu was singing, I actually asked if they were people with birthdays present. Hey, you need to see Munchie. Guys, in Diamond's way. She literally had the best time of your life, guys. Anyway, that's all. See you in the next one. Bye.